Question 118. Chief nerve tracts, the motor system. The motor system controls the various muscular activities. You have voluntary and involuntary muscular activities. The involuntary include muscular coordination, maintaining of muscle tonus and equilibrium, and muscular reflexes. You have the pyramidal system and the extrapyramidal system. This is the pyramidal system, this is the extrapyramidal system. The pyramidal system is responsible for voluntary movements. It includes cortical motor centers and pyramidal tracts. The pyramidal tracts are corticospinal tract and corticonuclear tract. The pyramidal tract begins in the precentral gyrus. Here is central sulcus here, so this is precentral gyrus. And the pyramidal tract goes through the internal capsule. The corticonuclear fibers goes through the genu of internal capsule and cross the median plane and terminate on the motor nuclei of cranial nerves. The corticospinal fibers also start in precentral gyrus. They descend down the internal capsule in the posterior limb and then descend down in the crura cerebri and descend in the ventral part of pons and oblongata to cross in the pyramidal decussation. The crossed fibers descends as the lateral corticospinal tract. Uncrossed fibers continues as the anterior corticospinal tract. And corticospinal fibers terminate on motor neurons of the spinal cord. And we have the extrapyramidal system, which includes subcortical motor centers and extrapyramidal tracts. The extrapyramidal system is responsible for smoothing out the voluntary movements, and it controls the muscle tonus and various muscular reflexes and equilibrium. The components of the extrapyramidal system, you have the basal nuclei, caudate nucleus, and globus pallidus. Here you have the motor cortex. And then the diencephalic motor centers, thalamus, subthalamus, hypothalamus. And the cerebellum and its connections. And the brainstem subcortical motor centers and their connections. Then you have reticular formation. And tectum, nucleus ruber, substantia nigra, and vestibular nuclei, which are, we have 4 vestibular nuclei.